What if I tell you that dead spiders can now be used as robots? Scientists noticed that when spiders died, their legs ended up getting curled. This was because the spider's limbs work on mechanisms of hydraulic or liquid pressure. Scientists inserted a syringe full of air in the hydraulic chamber of the spider and observed that with a little pressure, the spider's legs opened up, allowing them to extend and hold objects up to 130% of its weight. It is fascinating how a dead spider is repurposed as a bio-inspired gripper to blend in with nature. Robotics, the use of dead biological materials as functional components in machine, is a step towards noticing all kinds of non-traditional material in robotics.